just so you can see this is coming out of the bike. Okay, so that just came out of the bike. So I'm going to put that on the floor. That's down there. And just so you know there's not any crazy voodoo shit going on. One-handed blah blah blah. Keep track of my changes. And so in here, so I did an oil change at 33,350. This one done at 35,190. So it's a difference of 39 hours, 1,840 kilometers. Just make sure that's kilometers, okay? So 35,190. Just for verification for all you nerds. So 551 hours, and it wasn't back there. There you go, all the way around again. And 35,190 kilometers. Okay, next test stuff. 7100 1060 Motul, because this is what was available. That's what this is. This is the exact same thing. So this is a new bottle. This is for all the people that think you need to change your KTM oil when you dual sport ride at 15 hours, 500 kilometers. So opening the bottle, brand new, put these two together. That's what brand new oil looks like. So on the countertop, obviously this is a lot redder color. This is a lot darker. But if we take them out in the daylight, or have the daylight behind them, you can see it's still got a definite, let's go outside. There's no sunshine in Finland, so it doesn't exist here. But you can see it's not black. It still has a definite red hue to it. So that's 1,840 hours, 1,840 kilometers, and that is new. Normally I change somewhere 2,000 to 3,000 kilometers depending on what the availability of oil is. And in this case I just had access to it, so I changed. So this could have quite easily gone to 3,000 without even thinking about it. So for the people that say change your oil every 15 hours when you dual sport, you might be pouring a little bit of money down the drain. That's it. This will give you a little bit better idea because you can actually see through it in this. So you can still see the redness. So this is my quick drain from Bulletproof, but you can see how the redness is still in the oil. So yeah, 1,840 kilometers, 39 hours, still good.